Alrighty, guys. So, like 2 weeks ago, Mark calls me up and he's like, dude, I bought a PowerKing tractor. And here I am, the whole time I'm thinking about him on the phone with me, I'm like, dude, this guy got a full-size case. Like, I am excited. Oh, was I wrong, though. He redeemed himself, though, so it's pretty cool rig. I'm going to show you guys in just a second. But, yeah, I was all stoked, like, oh my god, dude, I want a PowerKing or an AgriKing. I'm, like, thinking big case tractor, you know, like we're going farming next week. But this guy got something pretty cool. I'll show you guys in just a second here. He's actually putting the battery in it. Oh, there it is over there. You can see it just a little bit. But, yeah, we're going to go take a quick look at it. Today, we're going to maybe test out where it's drawing amperage from. He said the battery goes dead in like 3 days or something. It does run, and I'll have Mark kind of explain what he did. The tractor, buddy. What do you think about that tractor?
Well, it's heavy because one guy said that we're just going to lift it in the back of my truck. And I was determined to lie. So thankfully we brought the car. Thankfully we brought the car hauler.
Nice.
That fucker's really heavy, but I don't know. It reminds me of an old Simplicity. I like it's got. I like that it's got the drop down, like the bar.
Oh, right in the back. You're saying.
Yeah, I like that. I actually think that's.
Wait till the
really,
V-treads
really cool.
get on it. We should be good, huh?
You know, you put those on and someone gets stuck, and the thing might just stand straight up. It might self-identify as a pulling tractor.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, they're aggressive, but I don't know. I get a kick out of them. They're really, really cool. I like it. You just gotta figure out the shifting pattern, because that's
yeah. So here's what we got, guys. Is this, what'd you say, a 65?
Yeah, 65 economy PowerKing.
Not the Case IH AgriKing. I was hoping it was.
No, I thought it was
Still
like
not
a
a slouch.
Simplicity or like a
Yeah.
maybe an
Alice
Anglo.
Chalmers maybe or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is it? A Jim Dandy?
Yep.
Kind of like in the area of the Jim Dandy.
The hood gave me the Simplicity feel. The old Simplicity. Because my grandpa had a couple of them back in the day.
Yeah, it's funky.
So Mark basically stole this thing from somebody down the road. I don't know. They needed it out of there, and he's, yep, we're going to get it. And him and Fish went and got it, I think, one day after work. So
Yeah.
new battery, and like he said, I'm trying to open the hood, and he's like, oh yeah, it opens this way.
Yeah, it's kind of funky.
So it's got the old school starter generator with the regulator. My guess is why it's drawing is one of these two guys is giving us trouble, or we're getting power to the coil when we shouldn't have, and the coil is taking out the battery.
Can you still smell the mouse? This was mouse pile.
Smelling.
Full.
Eh, it doesn't smell too micey.
Oh,
What is it? Oh, it's a Case series, but I can't tell. There's some numbers on there.
It's a 12
horse, right?
Yep.
But yeah, these are pretty cool. I mean, kind of like restoration tractors. I mean, I like the fencing wire.
They call it a 12-16 because you got a 12-horse motor, 16-inch rim.
Okay,
Supposedly
that could be.
from back in the day. From
And
what
you know it's old when the steering wheel has that nice feeling of just raw.
Thing looks like it's got a stretched frame on it.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
So long.
When I first looked at it, I thought the
Yeah.
frame was stretched out.
They have plows, blowers, lawn decks.
Let's take a look at that.
They put loaders on these things, dude.
What
Front
the
load.
heck?
Yeah, it's funky.
Does it have battery in it now? Juice?
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right. So we're gonna see where this draw's coming from, and that muffler goes all the way to the back. Well, that's gonna get hooked.
Oh yeah.
Who does that?
I don't know.
That's
It's
gonna get
supposed to have
hooked.
Something different. I was looking at what they got.
That's gonna get so hooked,
Somebody
my guy.
did some stuff to it. What I paid for, it's just a cool rig. Got
Oh,
some
it's
tires for it.
absolutely sweet. Yeah, we got some new tires. We'll show you guys that later.
Yeah.
The tires that Mark picked up, which I think are pretty baller. Holy crap, it runs! Look at how quiet it is, guy. Is that your custom boot there?
I had to pull his trans out. He got a lot.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what's up with this water.
discharging.
Actually discharging.
So we either got a starter generator or a voltage regulator. That's giving us probably our... Yeah, that damn belt's...
that damn belt.
Well, all we got to do to make a new adjuster for that is a longer piece of bolt. Here, guys, you can see this. What a hodgepodge. You ever seen a belt like that?
Yeah, it's freaking weird.
I have never.
It's like shoelaces.
So they got this arm here with, that's too short for our adjustment. So we're going to have to make a new piece of bolt with a hole in it, just drill a hole in it up top. And then tighten the starter generator, you know, or tighten the belt, moving it upward. Because that's what got it to crank over. It was just slipping the belt. Other than that, this thing runs and drives. Because it might not be charging, because remember how that golf cart we had, the connections were so piss poor? Like here and there?
if you look, I have to redo all the wiring on it. It's been sitting in a field
Like this one here is very important too, because this is the one that's got to go, this is the one that's going to go back to the battery.
They're not green or anything.
Well,
damn. I mean, look at...
Oh!
Buddy, it just...
Wait, what kind of plug is in it?
I have no idea.
H10C, right?
Yeah, H10C.
That's what I got.
But I mean, this wire is just...
Oh, the fragile.
And it stinks.
So stinky, but dude, it is all gear drive. Just
you can hear it too. Oh, it sounds rowdy.
And this is, dude, you could run an implement on the front with the big pulley on there. And that axle bolt, dude, they don't make like that. And it's greasable. And it's got an actual gearbox for the steering, right? There's a gearbox in there.
Yeah.
Wow. And it's got fluid in the pumpkin, huh? You got a check plug there for the fluid?
Yeah, it's
Water?
chocolate milk.
Oh.
The oil was full of water. The gas tank had water in it.
You'll have
I'm sure the rear diff.
You'll have that.
Water.
Yeah. I didn't know the battery's in the back.
Yeah, look.
And who's to say our ground and there's any?
Oh yeah, I mean look at this. That is, you know,
That's
the
pristine.
eyelet that big.
3 sizes too big.
Yeah, I'll redo them.
Look at that. Pumpkin needs probably fluid change too.
Oh yeah.
Nice. This is gonna be a peach, dude.
Yeah, the band brakes. I got a leaky axle too. I think on this side.
Oh yeah, that's probably gonna be hard to avoid that.
But no, I wonder why is this tire offset and this one is not? Or did someone just take them off and not know what they were doing?
Did they flip the rims around?
Yeah, that one's inside out. This one's right side in. I wonder why.
Maybe they just didn't know any better. I don't know.
Because this valve stem is on the outside. This one's on the inside. But you can see, you know, you have a bunch of space there and no space here.
Well, right.
Funky.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That is a goofy looking rig, though.
It's cool, dude. It's
Very
so cool.
It's very cool.
I've been driving past it for like, I don't know, possibly could have been since I started working here 10, 12 years ago. But they dragged it out into the field because the farmers started plowing their yard. And finally I stopped and I'm like,
I like that drawbar on the back, though. That's pretty dope.
That's cool. And it goes way, all the tires are flat, but
Right.
it's almost as high up as it goes.
Dude, that's gonna be a rig. Like that clutch is gonna be never forgiving us for the tormenting we're gonna do to it.
Dude, it's so hard to push. That's why they put that extra extender on her, that little paddle.
Oh yeah, because they couldn't get the rod to move.
Oh, it's so hard to push.
Oof, not great. So we have a starter generator or a voltage regulator problem.
Yeah. Well,
We didn't check with the meter though, the amp draw, if it was actually drawn.
None. Yeah, there is
What do we got here, guys?
nothing.
Yeah, 0.0006.
Yeah. No, if you turn my switch on.
Oh, I'm sure it's gonna draw. Oh!
Fried my meter.
Oh no! Did I?
Yeah, probably.
God damn! Oh no, guys! Don't do what we just did. The meter says no. It beeped at us.
I have extra fuses. Believe it or not, that happens quite often.
Okay, I believe you left the switch on. Our second thing that we learned is it's not charging.
Well.
Yep. The second.
Battery's under warranty. Leave it connected.
Well, yeah. See if it's dead. Yeah. I don't think you fried the meter.
It's on my regular fuses.
Oh, you've been down this road before.
Oh yeah. Yeah. leave your meter on amp, and then you open up the door and beep. Oh man.
Crap.
Not again.
Ding. Yep.
Okay,
Dude,
so just silly me left.
I think
But
so.
it's still. Well, I'll redo the wiring.
Oh, dude, it needs to get definitely redone.
Like these cables are just.
And I could probably find a new, right? Whether it's starter generator. We can do one of those. We did that test. Remember we full fielded it at one time when it was running and it lugged the entire motor down.
You want to grab the key out of it so nobody steals it?
Yeah, I'll grab the key out quick. But dude, there's no key, man. But yeah, this is the 1965.
I do believe
economy
it's a
tractor.
65. I had to join a Facebook page just
to figure it out.
for these guys. It's really cool though. There's a lot of. I mean, there's so many
Cult following.
attachments. Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
I guess back in the day, they were half the price of a new car. They were like the most expensive tractor you could get out there.
Jeez, that metal seat's not gonna be sore at all, dude. I got that Cub Cadet, that nice one we could mount on there.
And my nerve-wracking is look how close to the positive table. I mean, you hit a good to honker, you could just, you could get
Arc
a little
welding.
warm butt. Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, hopefully the next time you see this, it's got paint, tires, and a charging system.
Yeah.
That'll be the goal. Should be a pretty cool little addition. We're actually going to use it. We're going to use it for field work.
I'm gonna try it. Yeah. I don't
Because why buy anything nice when you could use 60s technology to till up your dirt bike
know.
track?
Maybe we'll just take it to the lawnmower, antique.
Right?
I don't know. We'll
All
get
right.
Some tires on it, some paint, and see where it goes.
Well, make sure if you guys enjoy this little tractor and you want to see more videos on it, leave a like on the video. Because he's going to have to do all the manual labor, so it'd be nice if we can showcase it to other than just ourselves. And subscribe if you haven't already. And leave a comment down below what you guys think about this old rig.